What if your struggle with weight loss isn't about willpower, but about brain chemistry? New research from the Science 2025 initiative has uncovered a powerful link between serotonin levels and the body's ability to regulate appetite, burn fat, and maintain a healthy metabolism. And now, a new serotonin weight loss supplement is helping people lose weight by working with their body's natural rhythms, day and night. SeroBurn is a dual-phase formula designed to support serotonin production, suppress appetite, and optimize fat burning 24/7. During the day, it helps increase energy, reduce emotional eating, and rev up your metabolism. At night, it promotes deep sleep, reduces cortisol, and continues to support fat metabolism while you rest. The ingredients are all natural and backed by clinical research. 5-HTP and L-Tryptophan help boost serotonin levels. Saffron extract and white kidney bean reduce cravings and block carb absorption. Green tea extract and L-carnitine support metabolism. And calming compounds like ashwagandha, L-theanine, and valerian root help you sleep deeply without stimulants. This isn't a quick fix or a crash diet. It's a science-based approach to long-term weight management that works with your biology, not against it. Thousands of people are already experiencing the benefits: reduced cravings, better sleep, more energy, and steady fat loss, without the rebound effect of traditional diets. If you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, it might be time to stop blaming yourself and start supporting your body's natural chemistry. This serotonin weight loss supplement is part of a new generation of metabolism support formulas, and it's helping people finally take control of their weight in a sustainable, natural way. Access the scientific studies and clinical data behind this formula and see why researchers are calling it a breakthrough in nerve health.